Tawon. First catch of the day. Ayan, nakatali si Brim. Hindi na zero.
Dami ng smoke, naglow, nag-talk, na-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malaman joke, nag-coke, na-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng smoke, naglow, nag-talk, na-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malaman joke, nag-coke, na-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng bullshit na nangyari, sige tsagaan mo lang buong biyahe. Sige sumagad na puto lang pare, idolo may par bago lumagkari. Daming patalim, galing mo magtari, bago tumilim tawagin ang pare. Bago tumikim isipin kung bakit, sige palihim mo lang ginagamit kasi. But time when I need to get up and don't like it, I win making more chase. Getting high, gotta live in my own way. Downside, I believe in my own faith. The vibe is making me crazy, baby, I'm adding fade. I keep on pushing, improving till I reach average gain.
Alright, sure nyo dyan out.
Shut down.
Saan tayo?
Balik na kami din sa D3.
Aba! Alright, nasa D3 kami guys. Ayan, try natin mangisda rito. Yan, nandito pa si Kabayan. Mark, shout out! Shout out Kuya Mark! Yan, kaway. Alright, ayan, try natin mag-fishing ito guys. Kasi yun, pangbaon ulam kasi, gipit. Alright, try natin. Ito yung pain natin guys, hipon. And may dalawang catch. So yun, nag-cast na. Okay, ting dagat, side check. Mabilisan lang, medyo brown. Ewan ko kung meron. Try natin. Alright, bye. Alright, yan. Pahin tayo guys. Hipon. Oh yeah. Lock 70 dirham na rod. Alright. Lipat tayo ng location. Kasi wala dun eh. Feeling ko lang may huli na kami. Diba sa John? May huli na tayo.
Daw malaki. Aba, si Brim.
First catch of the day. Alright.
Si Brim.
Nagdali.
Sarap yan si Brim.
Nice one. Tawon. First catch of the day. Ayan, nakatali si Brim.